Yesterday, Fort Bend County Judge K.P. George announced that he has filed a lawsuit against Governor Greg Abbott, requesting a temporary restraining order for local governments to implement mask mandates.
Judge K.P. George joins us now. Judge, thank you again for being here. Why do you feel like you need to resort to this legal action right now?
Simply because it is all about saving our children and saving our citizens' life. And we know that our COVID numbers are not looking good, and our positivity cases are going up exponentially, and our hospital admission rates are going up and above the threshold we usually use to calculate our current level. So all these numbers indicating, and the recommendation from our health official, Health and Human Services Director, to move our threat level from orange to red, which I did yesterday. And also, along with that, our schools are opening and our children are going to school with no protection. And I believe, there is one thing is don't do anything. And that is not an option. I'm going to do whatever possibly I can, because I believe I took an oath to protect and safeguard our citizens, and especially the most vulnerable, our children. And that's what I did. And so with that, we are, before local leaders said their hands are tied with this injunction to this order, right now, at least temporarily, we could decide what we need to do necessary to combat COVID-19 spread.
Fort Bend ISD says it's not requiring masks, but strongly encouraging them in school buildings. Why do you believe that the mandate is necessary?
This is because recommendation is one thing, and we believe, because one thing is the only way. One of the best tools we have is wearing masks. And that, why wouldn't we use that? And our numbers are really, I mean, our numbers are looking, very concerning, and we have to do everything possible to contain the virus, and that's why we are encouraging, and we wanted to, especially I signed an order, especially in the county building, to people, our employees and our citizens come to get services done, and they have to wear a mask.
Hey, Judge, real quick, what does it tell you? And again, I'm trying to be as transparent as I can be with this, because parents are asking us what's going on, right? When you hear one thing from the governor and you hear one thing from your county judge, what does it tell you when presumably the attorneys behind the school district are telling the superintendent that they don't have to mandate masks, and then you're saying, yes, you do? What does it tell you when you two are at odds?
So this is very simple, and actually this decision, they can make it based on our local health authorities' recommendation. Fort Bend County Local Health and Human Services Director, Dr. Jacqueline Minter, issued her guidelines to local school districts and what they need to do, what is necessary to combat COVID-19 spread, and I hope and I believe they will follow those instructions, and that's the only way we can deal with this situation. And I filed this, I signed this order to protect our house, our family in Fort Bend County, and I hope our local elected leaders do the same to protect their house, their family.
Again, you listened to the governor, and you saw probably his tweets. I saw your tweet to the governor last night. When you two are at odds and parents are like, well, what do I do? Do I listen to the governor? Do I listen to my county judge? They don't know what to do.
But first of all, what they're concerned. If they're not concerned about it, I don't know. But I know that whoever I talk to, hundreds and thousands of people I'm hearing from, they are concerned about it. And this is the time for them to ask their local leaders to step up and do what they're necessary to do to contain this virus.
All right, Judge K.P. George, thank you for joining us today.
And to be fair, we do want to let our viewers know that we have been asking Governor Greg Abbott's office to make the governor available to discuss his emergency order nearly every day for the past couple weeks or so. But so far, our requests have been denied. But we will, of course, continue, because we know it's a story that you at home are talking about.